This video demonstrates how to add wheelchairs in WDS. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. To add a wheelchair, go to Administration. Then, Wheelchair Management. Click on the Add icon. Fill in the necessary information. In the status column, there are 3 options: in use, not in use, and disposed. Please note that only wheelchairs with in-use status will be displayed in WDS. Click on Save. You can now see the newly added wheelchair in WDS. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest features and enhancements in RenalGenie.